Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my house. I am back home from my classes this morning at the gym. I feel very tired, but I'm getting myself ready because I have to go to IKEA. I have to buy a few things to finish my wardrobe. As you can see, I have empty space here and an empty space here. It's not looking very nice, but we're going to do that together. So now I'm going to get dressed and I will go to IKEA and you are coming with me. These jeans I just got it from Massimo Dutti, and let me tell you, the fit on these jeans is amazing. I wore these ones on Saturday and I am planning to wear it now just for you to see how nice these jeans are. And now let me get ready to show you. This is going to be my outfit, just to go to IKEA very quickly to get my wardrobe ready. So here what I'm planning to do is I want to buy another base like this one, 75 centimeters width, and I'm going to put that one here because I have this mirror and I also have a white door like this one. I will put that door and this mirror over here, so I will have it closed. And I want two clothing racks, one on top and one at the middle, so I can hang clothes there like t-shirts or shirts, and maybe at the bottom I can hang skirts. And then I want to buy here a 40 centimeters Billy. That's the one that's like a bookcase. And this is the outfit to go to IKEA. Now I walk a little bit to the back so you can see the entire outfit. I really love these jeans. These are very, very nice. I need some hand cream and I have lip balm from Christian Dior. This you're supposed to wear it on your lips but also on your hands. It's a very nice one because it moisturizes my hands. This time of the year I get such dry hands and dry lips. I'm going to do a little bit of my Baccarat Rouge. So you can see this one is almost finished, but I already have a box ready waiting for me because I love it so much. I cannot be without this perfume.
The Billy. This is the one I have at home already. So I need the smaller one, which will be 40 centimeters with, I think this is the one. This is the one. Guys, I want to show you, I find this piece very nice. I think it's a very nice piece that you can put on any space in your house. It looks very nice. Although we know it's IKEA quality, but the price is 179 euros. I think it's a nice one. It's called Mango. It's a new piece. I love it. Some of these ones for the summer to eat outside. I'm not convinced. I don't know which one will be best. I have a tablecloth yellow with stripes. It's yellow and white. So I don't know which color will be nice. I would love that these were like lighter color. What is the price? I don't see the price. Okay, so they are 6 euros, 5.99. 5.99 euros per piece. very nice for a plant. I wish it was smaller, this one. This is also a nice, very nice table. Round table for outside. I already have a table. Mine is with an oval shape, but I really love this one. Wow. Price is 749 euros. Okay guys, so I just slide this big box into the trolley. This is what I bought, the 75 centimeters packs. It's heavy. They both are very heavy, but I have a technique that I can use to put it in my car without having to lift or carry anything, which is very good. Now I need to pick up the rack and then I'm finished. Do you like my plant?
Your hands? Ja, no. Ja, dat is wat ik wil. Moet je fixen.
So guys, here is the cake I was baking. Let's see if it's ready. And as you can see, the knife is very dry, so that means that our cake is ready. Hey, my baby. Oh, my sweetheart. You want to come and give a kiss to Mama? Eh? Oh, my bicho. Hey, my baby. Hey, guys. My dog wants to play now. She hasn't seen me for a while, so she wants to say hello. Hey, my sweetheart. See? Hey, my baby. So guys, I'm back. I actually got myself ready. You saw me, I was busy with my covers, but then I realized I needed a few things from the supermarket. So I got myself ready and went quickly to the supermarket. Now I'm back. I also picked up a package from IKEA. And the package was at my post office. I will unbox this one with you, but I was waiting for my Dior package and that hasn't arrived, so I sadly will have to finish this vlog without showing you that package because it hasn't arrived and it's now a little bit late, so I have to get ready and go to my classes. But before, I want to show you what I have done so far with my covers. As you remember, this was an empty space here and I had another cover here, so I removed that one and I put this one. This one is the 75 centimeters. I added two racks, so one at the top, one at the bottom, and I am planning to do there like my shirts and here my skirts and shorts, because right now I have shorts here together with my jeans and trousers. I actually think it's a bit dark in here. Maybe that's better. But guys, I remember I told you at the beginning of this video I had two doors. One is a glass or a mirror and the other one is a white one like this one. So that will go here. I just didn't have the time. I was actually too busy and now I have to go to my classes. But my plan is to come in here with a 50 centimeters and then leave it just with one rack on top, maybe for some dresses. I was thinking 40 centimeters here. As you can see, it has some bags and I still have to make it better. But how is this looking? And I think it's looking very nice. Now I'm going to open the package from IKEA. I think it's a blouse. Oh, this is a pair of trousers. I know, the balloon trousers. The whole idea of this, you can see my battle leg jeans. I love this style, and when I saw these balloon trousers, I fell in love as well. It's big, look at that. These are very, very nice. You can see here the picture on the website. I think these are quite big. This is size small, 36. Need to be ironed and they have pockets. I think this will be cool with some high heels maybe. And this is the top. I really love the side detail. You can see the lace goes all around the bottom part and the sides as well, and has this opening on the sides. It also has this lace detail at the front. The recipe is on my website and I will leave the link somewhere here or on the description box down below, so that you can also make a corn cake. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Show me your support by subscribing to my channel, leave me a comment, and then I can bring you more ideas and more videos. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on my next one.